The main services that created MultiCare are carpet cleaning, resurfacing, and plumbing. When I started here in 2001, the fleet size was around 30 vehicles. Today, we're running over 560 vehicles. We do 365 days a year, 24-hour, 7-day-a-week service. The main thing with our company is finding a fit with our customers. We have everything from carpet cleaning machines to sewer cleaning machines that are truck mounted. We not only service and maintain equipment, we also do the upfit for all of our vehicles. Before Fleetio, using paper work orders for technicians to turn that paperwork in to have another person enter the data into a software package was really laborious at that point in time. Once the fleet grew in size, having a single software solution to manage all of that increases the productivity of everybody in the building. With Fleetio, we have a system in place that's going to grow as our company grows. Fleetio improved our fleet management by having visibility and accountability for our fleet across multiple states. We're able to provide them with the support and reliability that we give our team here in Atlanta. If they have access to the fleet, that means I have access to the fleet here in Georgia. Maintenance is important because we have to be on the road to be able to serve our customers. Our drivers being able to do an inspection, an accident investigation on the spot, and be able to submit that form straight through Fleetio has been a lifesaver.
Well, before Fleetio was kind of somewhat of a little bit chaos. That's one of the biggest things that I saw was to start being proactive and get on the front side so that we can do PMs and that type of thing. When we do the 5,000 mile oil changes, our oil changes will automatically pop up. We do inspections from bottom to top, top to bottom, and that's our chance to make sure that the vehicle's safe. We can keep the vehicles on the road without any kind of emergency failures, you know.
Keeping vehicles on the road to be able to provide 24-hour service to our customers is imperative. I have about a $250,000 parts inventory. I would say before Fleetio, at the end of the year, there was always discrepancies with what was used, what got put onto a piece of paper, and then what got transferred into our inventory tracking system. With Fleetio, having it all in one system, a technician's able to start a job, log into a job, scan the barcodes on the parts that he's using for the job, and for those to automatically be taken out of inventory. That goes all into one, affecting our customer and affecting the return on investment for our company. So being able to maintain a large inventory of parts in stock and be able to track that inventory is imperative. Before Car IQ, it was issuing out gas cards, replacing lost gas cards. With Car IQ, all that manual work stopped. The way Car IQ and Fleetio work together, Fleetio imports all that data from Car IQ right into there, so I can see fueling history, fueling locations very easily. These systems have made my life so much easier. Open up my computer and get all the data out of one software system, increase my productivity tenfold. The problem that Fleetio helps us the most with is total cost of ownership. That allows us to replace vehicles before they start costing us a whole lot of money. It can look overwhelming, but once you get in and start working with it, as we increase in size in different locations, it's a very simple system to use and to adopt into your fleet. I would say if anybody's looking at Fleetio, I would jump in both feet first. It's a great software package that will allow you more time to manage your fleet, less time doing paperwork.